If you have a small kitchen, you already know the frustration. Every appliance you buy has to earn its counter space. A bulky blender that takes up half your counter and only gets used twice a week is not earning anything. Today, we are looking at the 5 best compact blenders on Amazon in 2026 that are powerful enough to handle real blending tasks, but small enough to actually fit in a small kitchen without taking over. Here is what we are covering. Number 1. The BLACK+DECKER BL-2100 BP. The best budget pick for small kitchens. Number 2. The NutriBullet NBR-0601. The best personal blender for small kitchens. Number 3. The NutriBullet NBR-0601. The best compact blender for daily smoothie drinkers. Number 4. The Ninja QB3001SS Fit. The most powerful compact blender on Amazon. And number 5. The Oster Pro 1200. The best full-size blender for small kitchens that still need real power. All 5 links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. The BLACK+DECKER BL-2100 BP 10-speed blender, at around $30. For a small kitchen on a budget, this is one of the most underrated blenders on Amazon right now. It has a 6-cup capacity, 10 speed settings, plus a pulse function, and a 4-point stainless steel blade that handles everything from smoothies to soups, without struggling. What makes it genuinely stand out for small kitchens is the slim, lightweight design. It weighs next to nothing, takes up minimal counter space, and all the parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is completely painless. The perfect pour spout is a small but thoughtful detail that stops spills when you are pouring into a glass. For a small kitchen that wants a proper full-size blending experience without the bulk or the price tag, the BLACK+DECKER BL-2100 BP delivers far more than its $30 price suggests. Number 2. The NutriBullet NBR-0601 at around $40. The NutriBullet has been solving the small kitchen blender problem for over 20 years, and this updated version is the best it has ever been. 600-watt motor, a cross-blade designed for personal blending, and it comes with a 48-ounce pitcher for small batch blending plus 2 16-ounce to-go cups with travel lids. The entire system is compact enough to store in a cabinet when not in use, which is the real win for small kitchens. You are not sacrificing power for size here. It handles smoothies, sauces, salsa, and shakes without struggling. And cleanup is genuinely fast. The cups go straight in the dishwasher. For a small kitchen that still wants real versatility at a reasonable price, the NutriBullet delivers. Number 3. The NutriBullet NBR-0601 at around $50. If you make a smoothie every single morning and that is the primary reason you want a blender, the NutriBullet is specifically engineered for exactly that purpose, and nothing does it better at this size and price. 600-watt motor, a high-torque power base, and an extraction blade design that breaks down fruits, vegetables, seeds, and stems more completely than a standard blender blade. The result is a smoother, more nutritious smoothie from the same ingredients. It comes with 2 cups and 2 different lid types, so you can blend in 1 cup and drink from it directly without transferring anything. The whole unit is about the size of a large water bottle when assembled. For daily smoothie drinkers in small kitchens, this is the one. Number 4. The Ninja QB3001SS Fit at around $60. This is the most powerful compact blender on this entire list. 700 watts packed into a machine small enough to fit under most kitchen cabinets with the lid on. It comes with 2 16-ounce to-go cups and uses Ninja's total crushing blades, which handle ice and frozen ingredients that would stop most personal blenders in their tracks. The Auto IQ technology means you press one button and it pulses, blends, and pauses automatically to push ingredients down and ensure everything gets blended evenly without you having to stand there and babysit it. For small kitchen owners who want serious blending power in a compact footprint, the Ninja Fit is the best combination of size and performance on Amazon at this price. And number 5, the Oster Pro 1200 blender at around $60. Every other blender on today's list is a personal or compact single-serve machine. The Oster Pro 1200 is different. It is a full-size countertop blender, but it is specifically recognized as one of the most space-saving full-size blenders on Amazon. 1200 watts of blending power, a 7-cup capacity glass jar, 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, food chop, and milkshakes, and a food processing bowl that comes included in the box, something most blenders charge extra for. The glass jar means no plastic odors, no staining, and no scratching after months of use. For a small kitchen that regularly blends for 2 or more people and needs real batch capacity without a machine that dominates the counter, the Oster Pro 1200 is the most powerful and practical full-size option on this list. Over 20,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. A serious blender at a fair price. So which one should you buy? If you want an affordable full-size blender that does not take over your counter, the BLACK+DECKER BL2010 BP at $30 is exceptional value for the price. If you want versatility and value in a compact package, the Magic Bullet at $40 covers you. If you make a smoothie every single morning, the NutriBullet at $50 is purpose-built for you. If you want the most power in the smallest footprint, the Ninja Fit at $60 wins that category easily. And if you cook for more than one person and need real full-size blending power without a bulky machine, the Oster Pro 1200 at $60 is the one to get. All 5 links are in the description below. If this video helped you, please subscribe. I review home and kitchen products on Amazon every single week, so you never have to guess what to buy. See you in the next one.